R1015A. Product features: all aluminum alloy shell, textured high-end and fashionable appearance. Supports compatible XQD and PCIe specification CFexpress memory cards, with USB logo on the card surface. Supports SD4.0 SDHC memory card. The theoretical maximum capacity is 2 terabytes. Perfect supports Win 7, 8, 8, 1, 10, 11 driver free supports Mac OS X and later versions. CFexQD is an elastic card holder. SD and Micro South Dakota are non-elastic card holder. CFexQD card size type E38.5 29.838 millimeters. The light flashes when the CFEB card is being read and written. The light does not flash when the XQD card is being read and written. The light flashes when the SD and Micro South Dakota cards are being read and written. No need to install drivers. Supports hot swap. Plug and play is convenient and fast.